This is Ben the EV guy, along with an exclusive collaboration with MModified.
What's up everyone, this is MModified with another 60-second product review. Today we're going to talk about the auto liftgate, and what you're looking at is an extra button we put in the glove box compartment to open and close. So once I press the button, everything closes up. When I originally bought the vehicle, I didn't think I needed it. As you can see, it's a California Route 1 model, but with it, it's so much easier. I can use my key fob to open. The installation itself takes about 4 to 5 hours. It involves replacing both of these struts here and routing some wires through this tight and narrow seam into this panel with 2 modules. Once installed, you can also add another button in the trunk as well. And it looks completely stock. It's absolutely so much easier to close the trunk with the auto lift component. Highly recommend it if you have someone who can do it for you. Otherwise, it's going to take some time. Happy holidays, everyone.